Welcome to our channel, Olsen the Danes. Today we are embracing that cozy vibes of late autumn. As the leaf falls and the chill sets in, there's nothing quite like a steamy hot cup of Vin Chaud, infused with this aromatic spice to warm both your hands and your heart. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through the art of crafting this delicious hot beverage, perfect for those crisp autumn evenings. So grab your favorite mug and get comfy, and let us explore the world of Vin Chaud and the magic of warm spices. To make the syrup for the Vin Chaud, we're going to need half a cup of sugar, half a cup of honey, 1 clementine, some cardamom, cloves, star anise, and some cinnamon. Begin by filling a pot with 1 cup sugar, 1 cup honey, and 2 cups of water. Now bring it to a boil. When the honey and the sugar have been dissolved, it's time to put in the spices, the cloves, the star anise, the cardamom, and cinnamon sticks, and the juice of 1 clementine. And then we have to let it simmer for approximately 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, it's time to take it off the heat and let it cool down. When the syrup has cooled down, it's time to sieve out all the spices. And now I will transfer the syrup into an ice cube bag. Put it in the freezer, and I'll show you what to do next. And when the syrup has frozen, it's time to put a syrup cube into the jar, add some white wine, and then heat it up. And here you are, a Vin Chaud, homemade, and this is easy peasy. So every time you feel like a Vin Chaud, need something to warm up your heart, you just take a cube out of the freezer, some white wine, and into the microwave. Cheers!
Cheers! Good.
Wow. That will thaw up even the coldest house.
Yes.
Well, until next time, hope you have a good one.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.